Hi guys, it's Samay from Videofy and today I have a different phone, a different brand. It's a Huawei Mate 10 Lite. So in this video I will unbox it for you, and at the end of the video I will also show you the camera of this phone. So right now I got it from Hafiz Center. It cost me around 29,000 rupees, like $290. Here's the warranty card of MNP. The warranty is starting the 4th month of 2018. Very good, on the April. Okay, here's the seal. Make sure the seal is not broken. It's not broken, yes. I don't have nails, so it will be difficult for me to remove the seal. But I have this. Yes. Okay, what we have in the box? Empty. On the box we have a phone, of course, a beautiful phone. Let's take it aside. Some user manual, I hope. Okay, it's a case, it's a transparent case for this phone. The company is giving transparent case because they don't want to lose the beauty of the phone. It's a transparent case. Wrapper, side. Sorry. User manual in the English and Arabic as well. I need to read it. I don't know what the hell is this. It's empty inside. Okay, here we have the simulation tool. In the small box we have a beautifully designed hands-free. A charger. I don't know it is US or UK, but it is a charger that you can see the details here. If the output is 5 volt or 2 ampere. Data cable, simple USB cable, not type C. You can see here. The Huawei Mate 10 is giving type C, but this is the small version of Huawei. It is Huawei Mate Lite, so we don't have a type C. Fine. What we have inside, we have nothing. Empty box. But this thing. Okay. So what we have in the phone, we have a 5.9 full view display. It is 1080 HD display. The front camera, four cameras actually. In the front side we have 2 cameras. Wait, I just remove this. Okay. Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. The back is a matte finish. You can see the details here, the IMEI number, the protect consumer rights. Okay, keep above, live. Okay, save. Also the branding of Huawei, the address of Huawei if you want to go. Okay, we have a 5.9 Huawei full view display is 1080, and we have 4 cameras, two camera on the front. One is 12 megapixel and the other is 2 megapixel. And on the back we have also 2 cameras and a fingerprint sensor and a flash upside the camera, very different place to fix the flash. And we have 4 GB RAM inside, which is very good to run the program smoothly and the gaming as well. We have 64 GB ROM, which is very good because you don't need to put the memory card inside. 64 GB is very enough ROM for your phone. We have 3340 mAh battery, which is very good. It can stay up to, like, for normal use it can stay up like 1 day, or if you use your phone quite little, so it can stay up like 1.5 days well. Okay, so now we'll turn this device on, a very beautiful device on. Here is the power button. You can see the power button here, the volume keys here. Upside we have a microphone, the second microphone, and the first microphone is downside here. And we have what we have. Yes, we have some antennas here. The SIM tray. You can need this pin to eject the SIM as well. And we have a simple place to put the charging purpose, and for the data transfer purpose we have the two microphone here, a big speaker, a 3.5 milli for the headphone jack. Okay, so now I will on this beautiful device. I should have a tissue to protect the beauty of it. No, it's fine. Turning on this device, powered by Android. So I am back. Finally I on this device. Some formalities is done. So the display is very good. I'm very impressed with the display. Very bright. Oh, you can't even see in my phone. So I just turn it a little bit lesser so you can see properly. Okay, so now I will go in the setting mode about the phone. It is running on the 7.0, which is the newest version here, the Nokia version. Hopefully it will upgrade to the Oreo as well. They have their own OS like EMUI. I don't know what is this. The device name is Huawei Mate and Lite. Go back. Okay, the RAM of the phone is, as I told you before, 4 GB. The CPU is Silicon Kirin 5659. I don't know what is it. The internal space is 64 GB, which is very good. The screen resolution is 1080 by 2160. It's HD. Okay, so for the camera, I just stay tuned this video so I can show you the camera of this phone as well. इंडो में अच्छा क्वालिटी नहीं इसकी. Not good quality in indoors, but very excellent quality in outdoor. इंडो में क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं है.